Welcome back guys on another YouTube video. Now in today's video I'm going to be explaining the best forex brokers to use in Uganda. Now without wasting time, hit that like button so many times, plus subscribing to our channel and also commenting below if you find value in this video. Now you subscribing, that means you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video explaining or teaching about the forex industry. Now without wasting time, I've already done my research and I've spotted for you guys the best two forex brokers to use in Uganda. Now the first forex broker I recommend you guys using in Uganda is Infinix. Why do we recommend you to use Infinix broker? Infinix broker is a regulated forex broker based in the UK. It has been working since 2009 up to now. So it has the experience of serving traders since 2009 up to at the moment, which is 2022. But when you are trading with Infinix, what they offer is, first is 24-hour support, which is here live support. Now if you have any problem you'd like to ask them about either trading experience or trading softwares, any problem, there's 24-hour support for explaining to you how to solve that particular problem. When you look at their services, first, the second point is their platforms. You'll be able to trade on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms. You know, we forex traders, we differ. You find is someone who finds ease in trading with MetaTrader 5. You'll find someone finding ease in trading with MetaTrader 4 platforms. Now you'll be accessing these both two trading platforms, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Then Infinix Capital gives you up to leverage, which is ranging from 1 to 100 up to 1 to 1000. Now for leverage, I think we already talked about this video. You can go in our YouTube channel, which is FX Devs, and you type in what's leverage, because we have been explaining about what's leverage. Leverage normally is the amount of money your broker is willing to lend you, such that you can purchase other instruments which you couldn't purchase with that initial deposit you made. So that's leverage. Now for Infinix Capital, you'll be able to trade your currencies or commodities with a leverage of 1 to 100 up to 1 to 1000. Another thing is Infinix Capital provides 300 plus instruments. Now here it's where we're going to find what we call forex pairs: Euro USD, Pound, Japanese yen, New Zealand dollar, Australian dollar, all those pairs. You're going to be trading commodities, where we find gold, Brent, silver, gold, oil. You're going to be also trading indices like Nasdaq, US 30, German 30, all that stuff. You'll be able also to trade cryptocurrencies. You'll be able also to trade we talked about forex pairs, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and indices. Now all this, we also have a little bit stocks like Apple, Facebook, all these stuffs. You can access them when you are trading with Infinix Capital. Now for the lot size, available, even if you deposit $5, $10, you'll be available to start trading with that small amount of capital. You'll be accessing lots starting from 0.01 lots. Now if you can trade using 0.01 lots, that means even if you deposit $5 or $2 or $10, you'll be able to place a trade. Now Infinix has a partnership of over 14,000 people or partners all over the world plus. So that means it can also be 100 or 200 partners who invest or make partnership or work with Infinix Capital. Now I'm going to try to log into my account and I show you the deposits, how you can deposit your money in Infinix website if your account is already verified. If you don't have an account, please hit the link in the description. Use our link because we made partnership with Infinix. Sign up using our link, your account will be verified. Then after you verifying your account, you'll be good to go to start your trading journey. Now hit the link in the description and sign up with Infinix Capital. Okay, now I want to show you all the deposit methods you can use, because Infinix provides the best deposit method you can use all over the world. It can be cryptocurrencies, it can be Skrill, Netella, it can be Visa card, MasterCard, all that stuff. So let me log into my account and I show you. Okay, I'm done logging into my account. Now I'm going to actually show you the deposit, because it's where the main point is. Now when you go to deposit, now this is my MetaTrader 4 login details or account. If I say fund now, they're going to bring me all the deposit methods which I can use to fund my account. It's still loading. Now they have already brought me the deposit methods. Now if you have Visa card and MasterCard debit card, you'll be using this payment method. You can see there's a logo of MasterCard and Visa card. If you have cryptocurrencies, now for cryptocurrencies we have several cryptocurrencies. You can deposit your money using Bitcoin, you can deposit your money using Litecoin, you can also deposit your money using Ethereum and USDT. So all these are different cryptocurrencies. But when you go to other brokers, you'll find you can only deposit money using Visa card, and you find they don't have the payment method for cryptocurrencies. If they have the payment methods of cryptocurrencies, you'll find you'll only be able to deposit using Bitcoin. And remember, Bitcoin has too much transaction fees. But here you'll be able also to deposit in your money on your trading account using USD Tether, Litecoin, Ethereum. All these cryptocurrencies, you'll be able to use them to deposit on your trading account. This is also AstroPay. This is also a transfer network company which you can use. It depends on which country you are staying in. For Perfect Money, I think you can use it even if you're based in Uganda. You can use Perfect Money to deposit in your account. For AstroPay, it is for outside Ugandans, but for Visa card, MasterCard and cryptocurrencies, even if you're in Uganda, you can use that payment methods. So all the payment methods are being powered by these several companies. So there's no transaction you're going to make and your money gets lost on the way. No, whatever amount of money you will deposit, for depositing it's always instant. You, after confirming your payment, the money will reflect onto your dashboard. I don't know whether you are together. So your money will be reflecting onto your dashboard. Here, now this is our dashboard. After you depositing your money, it will reflect here. You make an internal transfer and you transfer your money back, and you transfer your money from the wallet to the MT4 for you to start trading. Now this second broker I recommend is Templar FX. Why do I recommend Templar FX? Templar FX broker, now why do you choose Templar FX broker? 10 years successfully serving customers around the world. Now Templar is a group of company that started serving traders since 2004 till now. Templar was founded in 2004. Templar FX was the first forex broker to offer trading with MT4. So their trading experience, they are amongst the first brokers to offer services to traders using MT4. Now let's go ahead to read about Templar FX or Templar Forex Broker. About Templar FX Forex Broker, Templar Holding was founded by foreign exchange veterans with over 40 years combined experience and commenced business at the end of 2004. The company operates as an institutional and retail ECN counterparty to clients trading in the foreign exchange market. The company has become established as an industry leader, leveraging our advanced trading platform combined with superior customer services. We are setting the standard in providing services to traders in the retail forex market. So their main job or their main services, providing the best experience to their clients, or the clients, forex brokers, forex traders or retail traders. Templar Holding offers forex traders the leading package of trading tools and customer support. Clients trade the forex exchange market via Templar FX, which is the website, the most advanced online retail forex trading platforms. So you guys, I recommend you to use Templar FX Forex Broker. Why? First, if you are a resident of Uganda, like if you're from Uganda, you'll be able to deposit your money instantly. After trading and you making profits, you'll be also able to withdraw your money instantly and you receive it. Now let me log into my account and I'll try to show you the deposit methods Templar has for you guys. I'm done signing into my account. Now when I go to finance and then I go to deposit, and I choose my account, let me say this one. You see, now for you guys in Uganda, you'll be able to deposit your money using your mobile money agent. It can be MTN, it can be Airtel. We also have perfect money, like the one I showed you in Infinix Capital. You have faster pay. Now all these payment methods are from different countries. You'll find now most of the countries in Africa, we have Templar can give you all the services you need. We have iPay mobile money Uganda. You can also deposit money using iPay if you're from Uganda. We have Skrill. Skrill is borderless. You can withdraw, deposit money or transfer money all over the world using Skrill. So if you have a trader or from London, you're from Colombia, you're from South Africa, you're from whatever country you are, you can use Skrill to deposit into your account and you trade. Now for you guys who are from Rwanda, Dusupe mobile money from Rwanda, you can deposit your money using Dusupe if you're there in Rwanda. Now we also have Cameroon. That's why I told you now, Templar is the best forex broker when it comes to serving Africa. Is the best forex broker. Now we also have Dusupe mobile money Cameroon. So you guys in Cameroon, if you have an account opened up with Templar, you can deposit your money using Dusupe mobile money. Now all these links of these brokers will be down in the description. Hit the links down in the description, sign up with Infinix Capital and Templar FX or Forex Broker. So we took a lot of time to make for you research, guys, and we send this information out for you guys to get something or learn things which you didn't know. So in order for us also to benefit, hit the like button so many times, subscribe, plus commenting down what videos you'd like us to make, plus sharing this video if you feel this information is so valuable. We'll meet in another video.